Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside another customer creation. This baby's gonna be a rental. This is one of 3, and we do have a wholesale program. So if you're interested and you'd like to purchase 3 or more homes at a time, you can get a significant discount on those homes. Give me a call to talk more about that program. This one, we've got Brunswick on the outside, lineal trims around the window. And let's go inside and check it out. This is an Attica, 16 by 60. Since this is a rental, we wanted to make sure we put some durable things in here. So the first thing you're going to notice is drywall. We've got a nice wide open floor plan. This is a very wide open floor plan. You don't have any separation between the kitchen and the living room, which is a nice feature of a home. Look at this. Another feature of the Attica home is it's going to have a 46 by 61 window that is a standard window right in the living room. And let's just go down the list here and see everything that this customer has added. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so give me just a second here. There is something in here that we have not seen before on my channel, and let's start there. Drywall throughout, we've got that. And then we have a crescent edging, which is the rounding of the countertops. 2 by 6 walls, you're not gonna see those because behind the drywall, on the other side, enclosed actually with insulation, an R19 insulation, you'll have a 2 by 6 exterior stud. 4400 series siding, that's the Brunswick on the outside, the lineals around the windows, hardwood Timberwolf cabinets, the doors, the styles, everything. And when you're looking at cabinets, you'll see a puzzle piece if you're going to have a hardwood cabinet. The standard cabinet is a pressed wood with a vinyl wrapping. So definitely one of the things you want to upgrade. 2 by 6 walls, drywall, hardwood cabinets. Those are the 3 main construction upgrades that I would highly recommend. One thing we have not seen, I don't know if I've ever showed it in any videos, is the soft close drawers. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you can't slam them. And then let's go over here to the drawers. This floor is slick. Oh yeah, very good. Very nice feature. What's next? Next we've got the kitchen island. Cabinets to the ceiling, yes. And when you add the cabinets to the ceiling, you're gonna have fully adjustable cabinets. Oops, I think that's the wrong side, Christina. Come on. Fully adjustable cabinets, see there? And also, a thing to talk about is if you're ever looking for the data sheet in a manufactured home, you're gonna find that right inside one of the cabinets. And on that data sheet, it's gonna have things like serial numbers, model numbers, zone information, things that maybe your county would like to see, or if you're doing an inspection. Washer dryer shelf, we'll see in a minute. We've got the ice maker here that was added. Gas furnace, perimeter heat, there we go. Heat registers up against the wall. This customer did a great job at designing this home. The furnace door, let's head back towards the primary bedroom. I'm walking kind of funny here. This is slick. All right, we've got a 60-inch shower with the doors. You can see that there. We also have the furnace door. This is something else that's very, very important in a home. This door right here. If you don't add this door, what happens is this is wide open. So imagine this without a door. You don't want that. But make sure you add that door added. Huge, huge, huge. 40-gallon electric water heater. Wire brace switches. That's going to be in the living room and the bedroom. So let's get a closer look to that. That means when you remove that cover up there, you're going to have the bracing for a ceiling fan. Important thing to have if you're wanting some airflow going through your home. This is the 2-bedroom option. We'll do a walkthrough in just a second. We've got R38 in the roof. Double the floor insulation in the floor, meaning that would go to an R22. So starting from the beginning, here we go. Coming in the front door, wide open floor plan, Attica 16 by 60, 2-bedroom version. Coming into the kitchen, let's talk colors. You can see how shiny and slick this is. I'm not making this up. Okay, thunder on the floor, Timberwolf on the cabinet, Lysola on the countertop. Love that color. With your drywall package, you're gonna have 1 row of ceramic backsplash also. This customer chose bright ice. And gypsum is the wall color there. All right. Look how we kept the appliances to a minimum. When you're doing a rental, if you add the microwave, you add the dishwasher, those are just things that can be damaged or things that you would have to replace. So something to think about. You want to think about the purpose of your home when you're building it. We've got a reverse aisle, so we've got both doors on the same side. Heading back to the primary bedroom, we're going to pass the furnace here. Washer dryer area. You are going to have your main water shut off located right here. Here's your primary bedroom. Closet coming right up. Boom, 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 boom. I'm stuck between 2 houses, so it's a little bit dark in here. Here's the primary bath. Whoop. Here's the reason we did not put a window in there. This new shower is so tall that you can't put a transom window in there. So something to think about. We have some other showers that are. Hi, everybody. Hello. Great to see ya. Heading back to the other end of the home. Let's do the boot, scoot, and boogie all the way back here. We've got bedroom number 2. Now the 3rd bedroom version would put another bedroom right here. All right, there we go. Here's bedroom number 2, nice and bright in here. Okay. Here's a closet for you. I love the smell of a new house. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. And here we go, bath number 2. I'm Christina. I'm the mobile home mama. Come and visit me. It's a no obligation. If this might be a way you want to go, just come and check it out. What's it going to hurt? I'll put you in a real nice hotel. And as always, thank you for watching.